Hey people, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a budding transition. Hey people, in this tutorial you're going to learn how to create a file budding transition in Premiere Pro. And the most important thing is that I won't waste your time. So let's get on with it. Okay people, now inside Premiere Pro I've got those two videos, and the first thing I will do is grab the cursor and place it somewhere at the middle of the second video. Then I'm gonna make a cut and separate the first and the second part of this video, and we only need the second part for this transition. Then what I'll do, I'll grab the first video because it's on video track number 1 and drag it at the beginning of the second part of the second video. And then what I'll do, I'll go to the shape tool and choose ellipse 2. Then I'll hold shift and create a perfect circle in the program monitor. Then I'll press escape and V, also reposition it so it could be at the center of the program monitor. And after that I'll head towards the effect control panel. From there I'm gonna set a keyframe onto scale and then bring the values down to 0. Next I will move the cursor almost at the end of the shape layer and bring the circle back onto the program monitor until it filled up the whole screen like that. Now to make the animation smoother, I will select the second keyframe, right click and ease in. And of course we need to make this circle to disappear so we can see the video under. So to do that I'll go to effects and type down track mate. Then I'll scroll down to keying and grab the track mate key effect and drop it onto the second part of the second video. Then I'll go back to the effect control panel, scroll down to track mate, and from mate I'll change it from none to video number 3 because the graphic layer it's on video track number 3. And now as you can see it's gone. But also we have to tick the reverse option as well so we can see the video below the second part of the second video. And let me play it from the beginning and see what we've got so far. Okay, it looks already cool, but it's not budding transition, lava transition yet. So to achieve that, I will bring the cursor a few frames backwards so we can see the circle. Then I will select the graphic layer, go back to effects. From there, I'm gonna type down turbulence, and then I'll go down to distort, grab the turbulent displace effect and drop it onto the graphic layer. And as you can see now, the circle is not perfect, it changes straight away. From here, we're gonna leave the displacement as turbulent. Then from amount, we'll change it from 50 to 360%. Then from size I'm gonna go down to 10, and from the offset I'll change 960 to 1125, and also I'm gonna change the 540 to 445. Then from complexity I'm gonna go all the way up to 10, and then from the evolution I'll go 1 multiply 73, and as you can see now it looks completely different. In the next step, what I will do, I will select the graphic layer, hold Alt and duplicate it, and also I'll duplicate the second part of the second video and I'll place it above the copy of the graphic layer. Then I'll select the part of the second video and delete the track mate key effects. Then I'll select the copy of the graphic layer, go to effects and type down track mate, grab that effect and drop it over the duplicated graphic layer, and then go back to effect control panels. Then scroll down to track mate key and change the mate to video number 5. But now we've got this gray circle which we don't want, so to change that I'll go down to shape, then I will disable the fill option and enable the stroke option. I will increase it just a bit, around 8, and also I'm gonna change the color by clicking on this eyedrop pipe and just select the red color from the timeline. Now what I'll do next, I will select these two layers at the top and nest them. I'm gonna name it glow. Then I will select the nested layer, go back to effects and type down glow. I'll go down to immersive video and grab the VR glow effect and drop it over the nested layer. And of course I'll go back to effect control panel, and from there I'm gonna scroll down to the glow effect and change some values again. So the luma threshold I'm gonna go down to, let's say 20. Then I'm gonna change the glow radius to, let's say 7 or 8. Yeah, 8 looks fine. And then I will increase the glow brightness to 10 and also the glow saturation to 10 as well. And as you can see, it looks perfect. So now let's play it and see the final result. Right, now when you know how to create this cracking transition, I bet you want to learn how to use these 5 masking tricks in Premiere Pro. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.